Strategies to ace the GRE Verbal Reasoning Section. Hello, GRE aspirants! Today, we'll delve deep into one of the most challenging sections of the GRE, the Verbal Reasoning Section. And more importantly, we'll look at some powerful strategies to help you improve your verbal skills and ace this section. So, let's get started. The Verbal Reasoning Section tests your ability to analyze and draw conclusions from written material, recognize relationships between words and concepts, and understand the meanings of words, sentences, and entire texts. It might seem daunting at first, but with the right approach, you can definitely conquer it. 1. Consistent reading. Start by reading quality material regularly, such as reputable newspapers, magazines, and literary novels. This exposes you to a diverse set of words and their contexts. 2. Flashcards. Create flashcards for new words. Write the word on one side and its meaning, along with a sentence, on the other. 3. Word-a-day routine. Make it a habit to learn and use a new word daily. 1. Skim first. Before diving deep into the passage, skim it first to get a general idea. 2. Question strategy. Before reading, glance at the questions related to the passage. Knowing what's being asked can guide your reading. 3. Summarize. After reading a paragraph or section, pause and summarize the main idea in your own words. 1. Context is key. Always consider the overall context before filling in the blanks. Sometimes, even if a word seems right, it might not fit the general theme of the passage. 2. Eliminate wrong answers. If you're unsure about the correct choice, start by eliminating options that are definitely wrong. 3. Synonym strategy. For sentence equivalence, look for pairs of synonyms. Two choices should be similar in meaning to make the sentence's meaning consistent. 1. Timed practice. Just understanding the content isn't enough. Practice answering questions with a timer to simulate the real exam environment. 2. Analyze mistakes. Whenever you get a question wrong, don't just move on. Analyze your mistake. Understanding the why behind an error can prevent future ones. And that wraps up our session on strategies to boost your verbal skills for the GRE. Remember, consistent practice and a strategic approach are your best friends in this journey. We hope this video has been insightful and will guide you towards your dream score. All the best, and keep practicing.